This is the #1 lockbox on all of Amazon. I can break into it with just this in under a minute. First, I will change the pin on the lock. When that's done, I will close it. I'll mix it up so I don't know the pin. And I'll check, and you can see that it is closed and locked. Let's pick it. These lock boxes all have the same flaw that make them pretty easy to get into for somebody who knows how to pick locks. Take this knowledge with you, pass it along. Knowledge is power. Keep hacking.